Isn't it fascinating, the idea of reprogramming our minds to unlock a life of abundance and wealth? It's like embarking on an epic quest to discover a hidden treasure within ourselves. The journey is both thrilling and deeply personal, requiring a blend of introspection, action, and importantly, a shift in mindset. Let's explore this path together, shall we? First, imagine your mind as a garden. Just as a garden can be overgrown with weeds, our minds can be cluttered with limiting beliefs and negative thoughts. The first step in adopting a prosperous mindset is to become the diligent gardener of your mind. This means uprooting those limiting beliefs and planting seeds of positivity, abundance, and wealth. But how do you do this? Reflect and journal. Begin by spending time with yourself, reflecting on what you truly desire. Journaling can be a powerful tool here. It's not just about listing your dreams and goals. It's about digging deeper and asking yourself why you want these things and how your life would change if you achieved them. This self-reflection can unveil the true motivations behind your desires, making your goals more meaningful and personal. Have you ever noticed how athletes often visualize their success before a big event? This isn't just about daydreaming. Visualization is a potent tool for reprogramming your mind. By vividly imagining yourself achieving your goals, living abundantly, and feeling the emotions associated with that success, you're training your brain to recognize these outcomes as attainable. It's about seeing the wealth and abundance you seek as already yours. Books, podcasts, and seminars on wealth, mindset, and personal development can be incredibly inspiring. They introduce you to new ideas, success stories, and strategies for achieving abundance. However, the key is not just to consume this content, but to apply it. Take the principles that resonate with you and incorporate them into your daily life. This could mean setting aside time each morning to focus on gratitude, learning about financial management, or practicing mindfulness to maintain a positive outlook. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who also seek growth and abundance can significantly impact your mindset. These communities, whether found online or in person, offer support, inspiration, and accountability. They remind you that you're not alone on this journey and that others have successfully navigated the path you're on. Remember that a prosperous mindset is not just about thinking, it's about doing. Set clear, actionable goals and take steps towards them every day. Whether it's investing in a course to improve your skills, networking to expand your opportunities, or simply managing your finances more wisely, each action you take is a step towards the abundance you seek. Adopting a prosperous mindset is not an overnight feat. It's a journey of constant learning, growth, and self-discovery. As you embark on this path, keep an open heart and mind. Be prepared to challenge your beliefs, embrace new opportunities, and most importantly, believe in your ability to create the life you desire. So what's the first small step you're going to take today towards crafting that abundant life? Remember, it's the small, consistent actions that lead to significant transformations.